Hello everyone, this is Teacher Justina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new then, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and please leave your comments below for more video updates. Our video for today is all about finding the solution of the system of linear inequality into variables. So let us explore. Okay, so let us have this system of linear inequality. The first is y is greater than x plus 1, and the other inequality is y is less than or equal to negative 1/4 x minus 3. Okay, so as you remember that finding the solution of the system of any linear equation into variables, we have the three methods: the substitution, the elimination, and the graphical method. But this video, we will be finding the solution of a system of a linear inequality into variables using graphical method. Okay, so first we will be graphing the first inequality. So the first inequality is described by y greater than x plus 1. Okay, so as we used to, we will be setting the inequality into equation y equals x plus 1, and then we have to find the y-intercept, which is 1, while our slope is positive 1. And for that, we will be plotting the y-intercept, which is 0, 1, while the second is determining the second point using the slope. So our slope is 1. So that means going up once and going right once, and there is the second point. And then let us go back to the inequality symbol. So it is greater than, it's without equal sign, thus our line will be a dashed line. So this time we will be deciding as to what region will be shaded. Is it either in the upper part or on the lower part? Okay, so we are going to use the testing point, which is 0, 0. So remember that the 0, 0 is below the boundary line. So let us try check using the 0, 0, which is the testing point. So y is greater than x plus 1. So substituting y equals 0. Is it greater than 0 plus 1? So 0 is greater than 1. So it is false. So since it is false and it is below the boundary line, so that means the lower part is not the solution set but the upper part. Okay, so we are going to proceed graphing the second inequality, which is y less than or equal to negative 1/4 x minus 3. So we are going to set it to an equation, and the y-intercept is negative 3 and the slope is negative 1/4. So plotting the y-intercept, so it's 0, negative 3, and then the second point will be, since it's negative 1/4, that means going down once and going to the right, which is 4 units, and there is the second point. So there, then we are going to find out if it is a dash or a solid line. So the inequality number 2 is with an equal sign. Therefore, our line will be a solid line. Now, we are going to decide as what area will be shaded from this boundary red line. So let us still use the testing point, which is 0, 0. Okay, so the 0, 0 as our testing point for the inequality number 2 will gives us the final statement as 0 less than negative 3. And of course, it's false because 0 is always greater than any negative number. So again, the testing point 0, 0 is false, and it is on the upper part of that red line. So therefore, the upper region is not the solution set, but the lower region. As you have seen, we have 4 regions already. So with the 2 graphs of inequality, it divides um, the entire graph into 4 regions. So we have region 1, region 2, Region 3, and Region 4. As you have seen, among the four regions, only Region 1 is made up of two colors. So, what we are expecting is the region where the two colors are there is the said to be the solution set. So, if this is the solution set, we will be trying to find a representative because this region is made up of infinite number of points and every point is a solution set to the system. So how do we know if a point on this region is really a solution set? So let us choose a point that is on this particular region with two colors. And this point is represented by approximately -10 and -5. So let us try check using the first inequality. So the first inequality, y is greater than x plus 1. So it's -10 as our x and our -5 is for our y. So the y is -5. Is it greater than -10 plus 1? Okay, so far -5 is greater than -9. So it's true. So we will not say that the region where the two colors are there is the solution set if it will not satisfy to the two inequalities. So let us try check using the second inequality, which is y less than or equal to -1/4 x minus 3. So the -5 will be substituted to y is equal to -1/4 times -10 minus 3. So negative times negative is positive 10 over 4. So 2.5 positive minus 3. So it will gives us -5 less than -0.5. And it's true. So therefore, the first inequality satisfies with that point -10 and -5, in which this point is on this region with two colors, as well as the second inequality, y is less than or equal to -1/4 x minus 3. So as you have seen, the second region, there is the yellow color. So that means that the yellow color representing the first inequality, which is y greater than x plus 1. So meaning this will not be the solution to the system. Only inequality 1 will satisfy. Region 3, it has no color at all. That means the two inequality will not satisfy. If we will be looking or if we will be uh, choosing a point on this region without any color at all, then it will not satisfy to the system. While region number 4, we have a green color and one color only, and the green color representing the second inequality. So guys, I hope you have you understand how to find the system, the solution of the system of a linear inequality into variables, and to have a meaningful graph. It is better to use two colors as to determine the region with two colors. Okay, so I hope you've learned something from my video today. And thus, if you've learned something, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and do not forget to leave your comments below for more video updates. This has been Teacher Justina, and thank you for watching. Goodbye, everyone.